Okay.
No matter who?
Well, first of all, I like personally to deal with the customer on a one-to-one. I would get a lot of orders through email or by phone, and sometimes they don't necessarily know or understand what they should be ordering. So I like to try and advise them. Firstly, that the menu is of good balance. You know, if it's going to be a hot and a cold, and maybe they're ordering too many carbohydrate salads for interest, that the balance is good. And I'm always there advising not to order too much. We're generous enough with our portions anyway, but there's nothing as bad as ordering too much and the cost of it and then the wastefulness of it. So I would advise people, you know, if they came in and ordered 10 chicken fricassee, say, which is a chicken and bacon and a mushroom and white wine sauce, we would normally put 12 to 13 breasts of chicken into a portion of 10. And if they're left with that, I would be giving them advice on how you can freeze it down or how you can create another dinner out of it the following day. 9 times out of 10, people with allergens like celiac or nuts would be very, very specific in telling me that, and we would have to be very, very careful with no cross-contamination going on in the kitchen for that particular catering. But we do not have a gluten-free kitchen, stating that also. We can deliver to your door, we can set it up, put it on to heat. You can collect from my back door, and we can give you our bain-maries for hire, which are €10, and they keep your food hot for up to 2.5 hours. And I think the reason why I started to do the menu in the shop for people to take away is to get rid of the fear factor on how much is it going to cost, because we appreciate everybody's custom coming through the door. No matter how small the spend is, we appreciate everybody's custom. So first of all, if they want to spend €50 or €500, you know, money isn't, you know, the main priority here. We want to please the customer, we want to advise the customer, and we hopefully will get that customer back again because they're so happy with the service and the good food we have provided. And to think that everything we do is made in-house from scratch. Like, I mean, we don't use processed ingredients. I did an awful lot of my training in Galway and then with Dorina Allen. So I'm all about sourcing locally, fresh ingredients, fresh herbs from my own polytunnel, my own orchard, various customers that bring produce in my back door to me locally, you know, and keep the food simple with good ingredients and use what's in season. You know, that's the... So on my website, you can just click below and you can print off my outside catering menu. And if you have any query, just ring me directly on my mobile or ring the shop and I will discuss any query you have.